My name is Kenny Hauk. I'm the owner of Hauk Designs, located in Chambersburg, Pennsylvania. At Hauk Designs, we build show-stopping custom 4x4s and turn out a complete line of off-road parts and accessories. For me, it's extremely important to be able to go from concept to reality in a very short period of time. The MaverickCNC helps us to cut super intricate, ultra-detailed parts that really set our vehicles apart from the rest. We've had plasma tables in the past, but as demand for quality and quantity of parts has grown, we've upgraded to the MaverickCNC. The crew from MaverickCNC made setting up our new table a painless experience. They flew out, set up our table, and taught us how to use it in just a few days. As we continue to grow and produce industry-leading quality parts and vehicles, we know that MaverickCNC will be there to provide us the equipment that we need to stay ahead of the game.